Assalamualaikum. My name is AinurFarha binti Abdul Razak. My matric number is S47592. I am under my supervisor who is Sir Fakrul Adli bin Muhammad Zaki. My project title is SPBT Management System, also stand for Scheme Pinjaman Buku Teks Management System. I will brief about the introduction of this project, which is about Scheme Pinjaman Buku Teks. SPBT Management System exists in every government school in Malaysia, which responsible in manage student loan textbook. This project aims to make one system to make the process of textbook loans between students, staff and teachers become easier. This project will take place in primary school rural area, which is at SK Bandar Tenggara 2. This project helps staff, teachers and students to accomplish their tasks in more organized and efficient way. In this project we have two problem statements, which is document management issues and lack of interaction between student, parents and teachers in charge. And this is the problem solution from the problem statement just now. For document management issues, we implement the web-based system, which will provide a platform to store the recorded data. And to have the solution for the problem of lack of interaction between student, parents and teachers in charge, by make the parents that can view the details of their children loan textbook by access into the system. Next, for the objective, we have three objectives, which is to study the SPBT management system that has been used in government school that take place in a rural area and have the requirement gathering. Next, to analysis the requirement and design the SPBT management system that bring convenience to staff, teacher and students at SK Bandar Tenggara 2. And lastly, to develop the SPBT management system that fulfill the requirement of staff, teacher and student at SK Bandar Tenggara 2. For the methodology, we choose software development life cycle, which will be performed in every step of software development. And the method that we will use is agile methodology. Agile methodology have 4 steps to be followed, which is planning, analysis, design and implementation. At planning phases, I achieve problem statement, problem solution, objective, scope and project schedule. And at the analysis phases, I achieve requirement gathering. I start requirement gathering session with the client and get all the requirement. And for the design phases, I will focus on database designing. And lastly, for implementation, which take most time taken and also the most important phases in SPBT management system. Next, for software architecture, I use 3-tier architecture, which is client, server and database. Client stand for presentation layer, which focus on the interface. And for the application layer, focus on the function. And lastly, for the database layer, focus on the database, MySQL. And the function requirement, I have 5 function requirements in total, which is login, logout, manage user details, manage announcement, manage textbook catalog, manage textbook loans, and lastly, view report. For the conclusion for this project, in summary, I hope this SPBT management system can help staff, teacher and student to manage textbook management in school, especially for rural area school. This system will save their time, cost and also energy in manage every task that related with textbook management system. Lastly, this system not only help the user but also help in turn the manual system to an efficient system that can give a lot of benefits to many parties involved. Thank you. That's all from me.